In this question, you have to identify the hormone releasing intrauterine device, that is IUD. Option A, Lippes loop. It is incorrect because it is an inert IUD made of plastic and it does not release hormones. Option B, Cu7. It is also incorrect because it is a copper based IUD. That is, it releases copper ions which are toxic to sperms and it creates a spermicidal environment, but it does not release hormones. Option C, LNG20. Now, LNG20 is a hormone releasing IUD because it releases levonorgestrel, a synthetic progestin, which thickens the cervical mucus, thus inhibits sperm motility, and it also may suppress endometrial growth, preventing implantation. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, multilode 375. It is also incorrect because it is a copper IUD that works by releasing copper ions.